Has this ever happened to you? You're traveling with friends in Berchtesgaden, and everyone has a different adventure planned for the day. Ming wants to climb a mountain and take pictures. David and Anna want to find a river and enjoy the sun. And you just want to find a Rhein-Height-Spot Weizenbad. Because you don't go to Berchtesgaden without trying the Rhein-Height-Spot. The problem is my phone has no service in Berchtesgaden, and I still want to know what my friends are doing. That's why on this adventure, we each brought a GoTenna mesh. Once paired with your phone, GoTenna mesh generates its own radio signal so you can send text and GPS locations using a simple app. No towers, routers, or satellites required. Sent and received. I can send a direct message to David, a group chat to my friends, or broadcast to any GoTenna in the area. GoTenna has great point-to-point communication range, but with this groundbreaking mesh networking technology, it's possible to double or triple your range by hopping through other GoTenna mesh units in the area. You don't even need to know the other users or do anything. It's automatic and private. So I'm able to receive a message from Ming, who's on top of a mountain, because our friends and other GoTenna mesh users act as relay points between us. Imagine using this at a music festival or on the slopes. The possibilities are endless. Unlike traditional communication networks, GoTenna mesh actually gets stronger the more users join it. We call this people-powered connectivity. One more to go, please.
Access clean drinking water wherever you go with LifeStraw. It is a small, ultralight water filter that frees you from carrying drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics to keep you safe on your adventures. Using it is simple. Open the caps, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, just blow the water out of the filter, replace the caps, and off you go. Ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergencies, LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to roughly 4 years of clean drinking water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Over 1 million children are receiving clean water today thanks to people like you.
The one thing you can always count on is Murphy's Law. What can go wrong? Well, you know the rest. That's why being ready and prepared with Titan Survival can make all the difference. Titan's emergency survival blankets are made of the same polyethylene material originally developed for NASA's space program. It's perfect for all emergency situations and all kinds of weather due to its waterproof and tear-free material that will help prevent hypothermia and shock by reflecting up to 90% of the user's body heat. Each 5-pack comes with individually wrapped 52 by 82-inch blankets that are sealed shut and take up minimum space for storage. Each blanket is both reusable and versatile and can be used as a blanket, a poncho, a signal or distress beacon, and for shade and wind protection. A must-have for your go bag or emergency kit, Titan's emergency survival blankets will keep you ready for whatever's around the corner.
And this is my fire starter tool, and it's small, it's compact, and it will give you years of use. And starting fires in the wild can be hard if you haven't got the right kit. And all this is, snap locks open, watertight, and then it's got a striker, and then the fire steel. And then that closes together, and then in the cap, snap lock, and inside it's watertight, and it just contains cotton balls that is really good tinder for starting fire. And then on the lanyard again is a whistle.
I can reach any goal today. I can do what I want. I can be what I want to be.
The greatest fear is the fear of the unknown. You can never be too ready for what's to come. Preparing for the unexpected means you've got to trust your emergency supplies. Trust that in utter darkness, you could find the light. Trust that even if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, you will be found. Trust that you'll still have light, even when you're all alone in the woods. Trust that you can be seen from a mile away. Introducing the GlowMind Emergency Light Sticks, the only glow sticks you can really trust. From sunset to sunrise, these glow sticks will provide bright light for at least 12 hours and outlast the competition. With their 4 years of shelf life, you can count on them to work when you really need them. They are waterproof, non-flammable, non-toxic, and are safe to use. GlowMind Emergency Light Sticks, the survivalist choice.
With its diminutive size and impressively fast boil times, the Pocket Rocket has been MSR's best-selling stove for years. Now, the next generation Pocket Rocket 2 takes everything good about the celebrated original and makes it smaller and lighter without sacrificing any of its powerful performance. The refined Pocket Rocket 2 is just as fast and powerful as the original, boiling a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes. But we've shaved the weight down further to just 73 grams or 2.6 ounces. By designing its pot supports to fold down around the stove body, we've reduced its pack size to create a tiny piece of high-performance equipment. Its improved pot supports are stamped out of strong stainless steel, and they now accommodate a wider range of pot sizes with greater stability. We've also carried forward the stove's wind clip windscreen on the burner head. With the burner surface separated into 3 areas, wind can blow out 1 or even 2 sectors and the stove will remain lit, minimizing wasted fuel. Precision flame adjustment allows you to go from torch all the way down to simmer. Incredibly easy to use, this impressive microstove is perfect for first-time buyers to fast and light fanatics. Stow it inside the Titan kettle or even inside the Titan mug for the ultimate ultralight kit.